How to remove NSFW in Character.AI. So if you're not aware, then Character.AI uses NSFW settings to weed out sexually explicit stuff. And although it can be turned off by the user, the NSFW filter is activated by default. The AI won't produce or react to cues that are sexually suggestive when the NSFW filter is turned on. Now, why is this setting there? So basically what you have to do is to prevent users from being exposed to sexually explicit content without the permission. And can you access Character.AI's NSFW settings? No. Character.AI's NSFW options are not accessible. The user cannot disengage. So unfortunately, it is not possible to be able to go ahead and basically remove the NSFW settings. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.